You weirdo. What are you doing? Is that necessary? Do you want me to stop recording? Why? Fine. Shut up, me. Hi. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to another edition of Beater Box Monday. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on the Twitter and Instagram social media platform applications. My handle's on your screen right now. Below that is my website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. That's where you can find all the shoes that we pull out of this box for sale today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hello, pals! Beater Box Monday today is brought to you by Sole Supremacy because they do the beater box thing and they're the best at it. They should be opening up memberships in the near future, in the new year. Definitely just check them out. Follow them on Twitter. That's how you can find out. This box was $1,500 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $1,540. Lot of money. Hey, these boxes are set up to make you money, so go ahead and follow along with the counter. Its name is Clarence. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, ease of movement, and previous and current sale prices of similar and or the same model. Then we're going to break it down at the end to show you how much I paid for the box versus the box's market value. So now that I've bored you to death, let's open the box and see what's inside. High ticket boxes have been absolutely slaying lately, so I have pretty high hopes for this one. I have my bad knife though. There's a couple loose shoes in here, looks like there's 3 of them, but there are some good loose ones, so I may save them for later because that's how YouTube video clickbait stuff works. First shoe out is an obvious throw-in. It is a size 10 pair. I don't know if this is some kind of special edition or whatever, but it's a Nike SHOX. Look at this. That's why they're called SHOX. I've never actually seen these before. I wonder if this is actually like kind of shock-ish. Okay, so I expected these to be a little more bouncy, but hey, whatever. But it's a Nike SHOX. It's a size 10. It's like a silver, red, white kind of colorway. They're super lightly worn. They're just weird looking shoe. No box, size 10, Nike SHOX. There you go, whatever the heck these are. There are 2 loose shoes, but I'm gonna save them for later because they're actually pretty okay. Let's get this out of the way. So we got an Air Jordan 13 Retro in a size 12. I can tell by the box what this is. So this is the recent release from like 2019. These came out in like February or March or something. These are the Black Cat 13s. Cap and Gown 13s. These did not hit. That's just all there is to it. It's the 13 with patent on the upper, really low pile suede on the toe box, and then heavier suede everywhere else. I mean, it's a triple black 13 with some patent leather, so nothing really more I can go into it. It is a size 12, it's lightly worn. Original box is a little bit damaged, there you go. Probably not much money in here. These did not do very well in the secondary market, but still a slick looking shoe. Next shoe out, we have a YEEZY. It's a YEEZY 500 in a size 11.5. Oh, these things. So we got a worn pair. They're in very good shape though. These are the utility black 500s. These do not have boost. It's one of the very few YEEZY models besides the Power Phase, I think, that doesn't have boost. So a lot of people love this shoe. Apparently they're super comfortable. These are a little bit faded, not too bad. A little bit of outsole wear, but pretty okay shoe, I guess. If you're into this kind of looking shoe and colorway, but size 11.5, YEEZY 500 in the utility black colorway. I think, is it utility black or core black? Yeah, it's utility black. I need to purr. No, I don't. Let me get through this one first. Got a size 9 Air Force One Low Premium 08 NRG. Oh, cool, okay. Well, this is unexpected. So we got a size 8 worn pair of Supreme Air Force Ones. You can see the Supreme branding right there off of the swoosh. There's some Supreme branding on the tongue right there too. These are a little bit worn, so the Supreme branding on the insole is gone. These are in okay shape, a little bit of heel drag, a little bit of star loss. Does it say world famous anywhere? Usually this stuff says world famous, but apparently it doesn't. This is probably the most muted, tame Supreme collaboration I've ever seen. These came out, when did these come out? I don't even know. Whatever. It's a size 8, it's a good size, and it's a hyped collab, so can't complain about that. Size 8 Supreme Air Force One in the olive colorway. Very cool. It's got secondary laces too. Ha! Interesting. Okay, so I gave a little groan, and this is why. Now, I know what it is based on the box. The reason I'm groaning about this box is because it's a hyper adapt. The retail on these was, what, $720. So that means the value is probably gonna be under retail, which is fine. Hyper adapts and just electronic shoes, I guess you could say, are just super niche-y. Okay, so these are the like metallic silver ones. These are dead stock at least, so that's good. So here you go. It's an auto lacing shoe. These are dead stock, not worn. Everything is here, so that's good. They probably just had to test the charging unit to make sure that they still work. Yeah, these are dead stock. Okay, good. So the retail is so high on these. This is probably a good chunk of the box's value, but these things are just gonna be hard to move. That's just all there is to it. It's a size 8. It's a shoe you can't get wet. I mean, it's a cool concept. Me personally, I'm not a huge tech guy, so this does nothing for me. But yeah, size 8, adapt 1.0 in metallic silver or whatever colorway. So that's a little bit of a bummer, but I mean, it is what it is. That's just such a hard moving shoe to put a lot of the box's value on. We do have 3 more. I'm gonna get the 350 out of the way. We're gonna be ending this box with 2 loose shoes. That's crazy. So we got a 350. It's a size 5. Ah, I know what this is. We have a very lightly worn pair. I almost said that musically. Very lightly worn pair of Beluga 2.0s. Let's check the insole. I'm gonna pull the insole out so you guys can see. So the insole. All the lettering is still there. Very good. These are super lightly worn. I mean, there's like a little bit of drag right there. The boost is kind of discolored, but not really. It's a great size. It's just not the best time of year to sell Yeezys because it's winter, because you don't want your feet to freeze. But size 5 is good. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, good size for Yeezys. Size 5, Beluga 2.0. We got 2 more. They are both loose shoes. I know that isn't typical, but they're both pretty good. So first one out is a Jordan 1. Which size is it? So it's a size 14, but that's okay. These are very lightly worn, no box. It's a pair of the Los Angeles to Chicago Air Jordan 1 SB. The paint, I'm sure you guys know this. I don't know why I'm saying, but the paint reveals the Chicago colorway, but no one did anything to the paint on these, so, oh wait, why do I feel like the swoosh should be yellow? Maybe the swoosh is the only thing that's been changed. Took me a second, but there you go. It's a size 14, a little bit of creasing, very little outsole wear, bad size, but good shoe. Cool, no box. And we got one more. It's an off-white, so that's good. It is a size 11. It looks like it's pretty fairly worn. This is the second iteration of the Air Presto collaboration with Virgil Abloh's Off-White. Yeah, that's basically what it is. It looks like it only has the white and the orange laces, which is kind of a bummer. No box again. These are in solid shape, a little bit of outsole wear. You can see some of the nipples on the outsole have been worn off, but not too bad. I'm gonna hit these with Reshoevn8r and they will be much, much better looking, but there you go, size 11 Off-White Presto. Cool. And that is a $1,500 Sole Supremacy beater box. At first glance, it's okay. It's those adapts that are throwing me off, but let's take a look at the potential profit right now.
Big down!
Like I said, those adapts are kind of backbreakers for this box. I mean, everything's decent. The adapts, I would imagine they're probably around like 600 bucks value-wise right now. The box overall is pretty good. Even the loose shoes were good, so I don't mind. If you're interested in any of these shoes, they will be on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that website is ransomnotesneakers.com. I don't think I have anything else to say. I'm doing a big, huge, speaking of the website, what am I doing? This is the kind of, this is on-camera behavior that is not acceptable on sneaker YouTube. I'm doing a big Black Friday sale on Friday, so keep an eye out for that. I don't really know what I'm doing yet, but I'm definitely doing something, so appreciate you taking the time to watch. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you on Friday for some kind of video, maybe even before then, who knows. But until next time, take care of each other, and remember, they're just sneakers. They're supposed to be fun, so make it fun, baby! Okay, bye.